student, today our topic is C language, chapter number 8. C language is the mother language of all languages. C language is the mother language of all languages. Introduction of the C language. The C language is one of the most popular programming language. It is developed by the Dennis Ritchie. At AT&T Bell Laboratories in USA 1972. It is developed by the Dennis Ritchie and its team in USA 1972. C is a programming language. It is very earlier language called the BCPL. BCPL's full form is the Basic Combined Programming Language. It is a powerful structured purpose programming language. It is reliable, simple and very easy to use. C language is very easy to use. Anyone use this language. So use therefore it as become a very popular language. C language is a high level language, but it also supports some features of low language, like we use the alphabetic words, English alphabetic words, symbols, mathematics digits. So this is also sometimes called the middle level language. It is also used for application programming language. Now the some features, simple programming format of the C language. In the C language we use the headers files like this way. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include and stdi.h and the conio.h is the header files. Without header files we not start our C language program. Void main. When we begins our program, we compulsory use the void main. Curly braces, printf. Now this message we print hello world. Get ch when we close our program, and the semicolons. Return 0. Curly braces close. Now the data types. What is data type? The C language proceeds the 4 basic arithmetic types like char for characters, int for integer, float for pointing and double quote. Types like integer size is 2 byte, float 4 bytes, character and char 1 byte, double is the 8 byte size. Constant. What is the constants? Constant in C refer to fixed value. We cannot change the value of the constant that do not change during the execution of the program. Supports several types of constants. The types of constant like constant, 2 types of constant, numeric constant and the character constant. Numeric constant is the integer constant and the real constant. Character constant is the single character constant and the string constant. Now for example, integer constant is 120 and the real float constant 2.36. Single character constant is the single quote B and the string constant is the double quotes like your name. Now what is variable? A variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. Unlike constant that remain unchanged during the execution of a program, we cannot change this during the execution of the program. So now the declaration. What is the declaration of a program? We want to declare. How do we declare our program? When we declare the variable, it tells the compiler what's the variable name. It specifies what type of data the variable will be hold. For example, int and count. Int is the data type and count is the variable. when we want to run our program in C language, control plus F9 is used. Control is the shortcut key and F9 is the function key when we want to run our program. Again, header file start with the hash symbol. Header file start with the hash symbol. Without hash symbol, you not use your program. You not start your program. This is the main function. In this main, you not write in the capital words. You always write in the small words, small letters, and this braces is the function. If you not use this braces, only use the main, it is a simple word. But when you use this braces, this is the function, void main. This is used to start your program of C language. Thank you.